Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a quick DIY from my kitchen. We are going to be making a cute little apron for our calico critters. And yes, I did make a pattern that you can download and print below. So go check that out. But you are going to cut out 2 pieces of fabric the same size and have them facing good side to good side. From there, we're going to go ahead and sew all the way around, leaving a gap here so that you can still open the bottom because we are going to flip it out. So kind of like you're stuffing a pillow, you need that gap in there. You're going to do that to this as well. Now, if you want to add straps before sewing, you can do so. You will need to wedge them inside, but we are going to be using a different technique because it is so tiny. We are going to be gluing our straps on and it's going to look seamless. So if you want to follow along, you can. So let's go ahead and sew this up. Remember to leave your gap and I'll be back when that's finished. Okay, so you should have something that looks similar to this. Yours is probably a lot better. I messed up on mine, got too close to the edge, but she's going to look so cute in it. So you do have that gap there. You're just going to go ahead and flip it right side out. Now that everything's flipped out the right way, we are going to go over to the iron and go ahead and press it. You will need to close up the bottom where you flipped it out. I'm going to do that off camera, but I am just going to glue this closed with fabric glue. Also, you can do a top stitch around the top if you like, or add like a little pocket or something here, but I think I'm going to just do this one plain. I do have a few with pockets, so I'm going to do this one plain. Let's go ahead, press this first, then you're going to close up your hole with some glue. Okay, so I went ahead and pressed mine. I also went ahead and made a second one. I did want to show you the 2 different patterns that I'll be linking below. One is going to have this curved edge like you see here, and one is going to have a more straight edge. So I'll link both of them. I like this one as well. I think it fits around her waist a little bit better. So I just wanted to show you that, but let's go ahead and show you how to decorate them. So what I am going to be doing is using tacky glue. You can use hot glue as well, and I am going to, for the bottom strap that has to go around her waist here, kind of like the one she has on, I'm going to just lay it on top and have it as long as I need and glue that right on like so. Now if you don't want to have to do that, you can cut it and just do some straps glued on to the back or sewn on where you can tie it on both ends. And then you're going to also need one for around her neck to tie, so I'm going to glue 2 separate straps up here. If you want it to be reversible, I suggest sewing in the straps when you're sewing it together, but I find that these are just so teeny tiny that it's pretty much impossible for your sewing machine not to eat it. So I usually just glue all the little embellishments and straps on later. Okay, so decorating. I'm going to use tacky glue. You can use hot glue as well. You can use ribbon for pockets. So like here, I can make it like a Valentine's Day theme. You're just going to cut out a square of your ribbon, and you're only going to glue down the sides and the bottom and, you know, leave this part open so that you can have a little pocket on it. You can also add little bows, and you can even trim it with some lace. You can top stitch it. I mean, there's so many possibilities for these, and they're super cute. I have them for the OMG dolls. I have them for American Girl, Barbie. So if you guys want to see some more of those, let me know, and I can give you guys the patterns that I've made myself. But I think it's going to be really cute, so go ahead and decorate yours however you like, and we'll be right back to see what you guys made and also to see how mine came out. Okay friends, our little apron example is finished, so you can kind of see how you can decorate these cuties. So I did add a strap across the top with ribbon. You can tie this around their waist and just add it in a little bow. Normally I would do a little bit longer of a piece just to be safe, but this is just an example and I didn't want to waste a whole lot of materials. So there's the center part, and then on the top we have the top straps that you tie around their neck. I also added this little fake pocket using ribbon, and I've just glued it down around the sides and the bottom. Added a little bow, and on the back you're still going to have that reversibility. I just recommend decorating the back if you decide to. And then here, as you can see on my example, I did not close up this example. This is the second one I made, so just ignore that. It's usually a lot neater, but you can add a little lace. I have a couple like that. And then, like I said, here's that straight edge and here's the curved edge. So I'm going to go ahead and add it on the Calico critter so you can see the fits. Okay friends, so here she is in her little apron. As you can see, that little curved side that I was talking about, that you can make the curved apron, I think it fits better on the bunny because of her body shape. But here's the straight edge side, and I think they both look really, really cute. And these are so simple to make and so much fun. You can make them more detailed, you can make them just simple like this one, and it just ties in the back. You tie it around her waist and around her neck, and I would make sure to add extra ribbon. It's better to have more than not enough, but there's what it looks like. Also, before I go, I did want to mention that yes, I do sell these in my shop too. The reason that I wanted to give you guys this free pattern is because some of you may not be able to afford to buy from my shop, or maybe you just want to make your own and try it yourself. So I thought it would be nice to let you guys try this out at home and make your own for yourself. I still will be selling them, so if anybody's interested, I try to make it as affordable as possible, and if you're on a budget, you can just let me know, and usually I can work with you on that budget. But yeah, so you will definitely see these in my shop. A few of you have ordered them custom and privately, so thank you so much. But anyways, I can't wait to see what you guys make. If you decide to make them, please don't forget to tag me on YouTube or Instagram. I really appreciate it. And yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. I love you guys, and I'll see you very soon with another video.